Hi, welcome to my Technoland Expert World. So today I will discuss about the Facebook algorithm works activity. How does the Facebook algorithm works? Like every time every viewers used to get some emoji and used it on the post. So we know that the like, funny and the crucial, angry and the suspicious. Every time we used to every time we usually used to do some emoji on the post. So from this emoji algorithm expert gauge the particular viewers mind and their behavior. How? Like a post from the political side, so many of them we know that used to use like, funny, lovely, react, every types of things. From that basis of the percentage, like if the likes comes 70,000 under the 1 lakh, and 20,000 under 20,000 love react under the 1 lakh, and the 10,000 under the 10,000 angry react under the 1 lakh. From this basis of the algorithm, we can justify that post is what types of post, like people react, from the people react percentage. So this is the main things of the Facebook algorithm. And another things is like every time we the creator used to post some video and any kinds of topics, any kinds of image. So the many times of people's billions of peoples interact with the post, like from to use their emoji on the basis of the post. From that basis of the react, the Facebook will shown some video, particular video that ever I used to like and used to watch. So these types of video comes on our device by the Facebook algorithm. So every time the Facebook track these types of videos and the people reaction, so all over the algorithm. So now I will tell something, the Facebook algorithm. So what is the Facebook algorithm? The Facebook algorithm determines which post people see every time they check their Facebook feed, and in what order those posts shown up. Essentially, the Facebook algorithm evaluates every post it scores post and then arranges them in descending non chronological order of interest for each individual user. So I have already discussed like every viewer's interest on the basis of post. Like I used to watch the dance competition from Facebook video. So every time the Facebook track down my device, like I am watching the dance competition video, so they will promote the videos from our device, from their server to my device. So these types of activity will go longer and longer. From thousands, millions of people will used to watch the dance competition. So the Facebook will uh, chronologically promote that types of video to their device. So we don't know all the details of how the Facebook algorithm decides what to show people, but we do know that like all social media recommendation algorithms. One of its goals is to keep people on the platform so that they see more ads. Like in this activity, like the dance competition video is promoted by the Facebook to our device. So what is the benefit of this activity for the Facebook company? So the benefit is like when a viewers used to like or interest to watch the video, they will also used to watch the ads come on that video. So sometimes we are watching the video, but we do not used to skip the ads, or we forget to skip the ads. So that times we normally watch the full ads and again continue our watch for that video. So these types of social media recommendation algorithms works. In fact, Facebook faced a hit in 2021 because the algorithm was prioritizing controversial content. Like controversy often gets the highest engagement and can even trigger compulsive use of the platform, like the political influence. Any kinds of speaker tell some things about the another politicians, so people morely probably engaged more rather than the other post, like any kinds of religious activity, or any kinds of uh, demonetize, or any kinds of suspicious activity. The people used to engaged probably more than the other post. So hereby the Facebook is as far back as 2018 critics feared that the algorithm increased outrage, divineness, and the political polarization while promoting misinformation and the borderline content. The brief history of the Facebook algorithm. The Facebook premieres its first algorithm to bump posts with the most like to the top of the feed. Facebook starts down-ranking pages that post to mass overly promotional content. They introduce see fast features to let users indicate they that they had liked a page post to the prioritize in their feed. And the upcoming 2021, the Facebook releases new details about its algorithm and gives people better access to their data. Here's their explanation of the algorithm in 2021 and how the Facebook algorithm works in 2022. Where does all of this leave us in 2022? First up, news feed is more, no more. What you see when scrolling through Facebook is now just called feed. Whoa. I don't know these types of news. Like if I am scrolling down any kinds of videos, that is also comes under feed. This is just bullshit. Okay, this much of I have discussed in this video. Thanks for watching my content and welcome always.